My name is Jia and I am here to present the PPT on the topic of differences between cost accounting and financial accounting, which is given by a sir. Let's talk about its differences. First, meaning of cost accounting. Cost accounting is a branch of accounting that focuses on calculating and analyzing the cost of production of goods and services. On the other hand, management accounting refers to the outlining financial and non-financial data for the management of the enterprises. And the second point is data type. Cost accounting is a qualitative and management accounting is both qualitative and quantitative. Second point is its scope. Cost accounting focuses on distribution of all the locations and determination of accounting factors of the cost, and management accounting affect the factor of the cost. And fourth point is objective. Cost accounting determination of the cost of production. On the other hand, management accounting aims at providing data to the management analyzing the situation of the formulating the strategies. I hope you understand this topic. Let's see you in the next video. Thank you.